Consider the following table, which describes some coordinates of a linear function. Which of the following choices represents the same relationship as the given table? To start, let's take a look at our intercept. In this case, we're not given a y-intercept, we're given an x-intercept where y is equal to 0. And we can use that to possibly eliminate one or both of our graphs. If we look at graph A, the x-intercept is at a positive 10, not a negative 10. They have a negative 10 y-intercept, but this is an x-intercept of negative 10. So answer choice A can be eliminated. Then looking at answer choice C, we have a correct x-intercept at negative 10. So that could possibly be our correct answer. But before we know that, we'll have to figure out what the slope is for this table. So to do that, we will pick 2 points on this table. I will pick these two, negative 6, 2 and negative 4, 3, and we'll plug them into our slope formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we'll have y2 is 3, so we'll have 3 minus 2 on the top over negative 4 minus a negative 6. In our numerator, we'll have 3 minus 2, which will give us a positive 1, and then we'll have negative 4. Subtracting a negative is the same as adding a positive. So this is the same as a negative 4 plus 6, which would give us a positive 2. So our slope in this case is a positive 1/2, which we can use to eliminate some other answer choices. Let's take a look at answer choice D. Y is equivalent to the sum of a constant 5 and twice the value of x. So y is equal to the sum of twice the value of x and a constant 5. In this case, our slope is 2, not 1/2, so D can be eliminated. Between answer choice C and answer choice B, we can check to see if the graph has the correct slope of 1 over 2. So our rise should be 1, and our run should be 2. So we should be going up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, and it seems to be matching. The other way we could check to make sure is by grabbing 2 points on this graph. So I will grab the x-intercept. We'll have negative 10, 0. And I will also grab this point, 10, 10. So we will have 10 minus 0 in our numerator, and then we'll have 10 minus negative 10 in our denominator. 10 minus 0 in the top will give us 10, and the bottom, subtracting a negative, is the same as adding a positive. So 10 plus 10 will give us 20, and in this case, we can just divide by 10 in the numerator denominator, get rid of our zeros, and we are left with a slope of 1/2. So this graph in answer choice C matches our x-intercept and matches our slope, meaning it is most likely our correct answer. At that point, you can mark C and move on with the rest of the test, but for the sake of the video, I will show you exactly why answer choice B is incorrect. Now let's find the slope of answer choice B and compare it to our original function. I'm going to again pick 2 points, and I'll do these two right here. So my y2 minus y1 in my numerator will be 8 minus 6. We have y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and the numerator is 8 minus 6. And in our denominator, we'll have 3 minus 2. 8 minus 6 in our numerator will give us 2, and 3 minus 2 in our denominator will give us 1, giving us an overall slope of 2, which does not match our original function, letting us eliminate answer choice B and making C our correct answer.